Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0236 indicates an issue with the turbocharger boost sensor circuit in the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. This fault arises when the output value of the turbocharger boost sensor deviates significantly from values provided by both the barometric pressure sensor and the MAP, manifold absolute pressure sensor. These sensors play vital roles in monitoring the air pressure within the intake system of the engine, ensuring that the turbocharger is functioning optimally. When the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects a discrepancy during specific driving conditions, it assumes an abnormal condition exists and stores the error code. This diagnosis is crucial for maintaining engine performance and ensuring that the turbocharger operates within its designed parameters, thereby preventing potential damage to the engine. The turbocharger boost sensor is a key component responsible for measuring the pressure of the air entering the engine, which is critical for proper fuel and air mixture. Located near the turbocharger, this sensor continuously sends real-time data to the PCM. The booster sensor aids in adjusting the turbo pressures, optimizing engine performance, and enhancing fuel efficiency. When values from this sensor deviate from corresponding readings from the baro and MAP sensors, the PCM identifies a discrepancy. This can trigger DTC P0236, which informs the driver or technician that there's a performance issue. Understanding the role and operation of this sensor is crucial to diagnosing and resolving the error effectively. There are several potential causes that could lead to the activation of DTC P0236 in a Honda Civic. Firstly, a faulty turbocharger boost sensor could directly result in abnormal readings, causing the PCM to flag the error. Wiring issues, such as frayed wires or loose connections within the sensor circuit, could also impede proper signal transmission, leading to discrepancies in sensor outputs. Additionally, a malfunctioning PCM could misinterpret sensor readings despite the sensors themselves being operational. Diagnosing these issues involves testing each component methodically to establish whether they are functioning correctly and are free from electrical faults. Each of these potential causes should be examined during your troubleshooting efforts. The symptoms associated with DTC P0236 can manifest in several ways that impact vehicle performance. A noticeable loss of engine power may occur, which could be particularly evident during acceleration or when attempting to climb grades. Drivers may also detect unusual sounds from the engine, suggesting that the turbocharger is either underperforming or experiencing issues. Additionally, the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard is a clear indicator that the PCM has detected an abnormality requiring attention. Recognizing these symptoms is essential, as they not only indicate the presence of DTC P0236, but also hint at broader issues affecting engine function. Timely action may prevent more significant damage. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0236 involves starting the engine and holding the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without load. This means ensuring that the vehicle is in park or neutral if equipped with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, or in neutral for manual transmissions. It's crucial to maintain this RPM until the radiator fan activates, indicating that the vehicle has reached operational conditions. After this, allow the engine to idle for at least 8 seconds. This step is significant as it helps establish baseline performance parameters that can be compared against normal operating conditions. Following these precise instructions will help ensure accurate data collection for further analysis. Following the initial engine RPM test, the second step requires a test drive of the vehicle. During this drive, it's important to operate the vehicle in the range of recorded onboard snapshot parameters, specifically monitoring the engine speed and vehicle speed, REL-TP, relative throttle position, sensor output, CLV, calculated load value, and APP, accelerator pedal position sensor readings. Meanwhile, it is essential to keep an eye on the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, for any reoccurrence of DTC P0236. This drive will help further assess whether the issue persists under real-world usage conditions. The data collected during this test will be invaluable for diagnosing the cause of the turbocharger boost sensor problem. In the third troubleshooting step, turn the vehicle ignition to the on position while ensuring the engine is off. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check the TC turbocharger boost pressure and the baro sensor values. It is important to confirm that the difference between the TC boost pressure and the barometric pressure sensor reading does not exceed 26.7 kilopascals, 7.9 inches of mercury, or 200 millimeters of mercury. These specific values reflect the acceptable operating conditions for both sensors. If the values do exceed these limits, it indicates that there is likely an issue with the turbocharger boost sensor. This step is critical to verifying the operational integrity of the turbocharger boost sensor and facilitating precise repairs. For the fourth troubleshooting step, begin by noting the TC boost pressure values displayed in the HDS data list while the vehicle is off. Then, start the vehicle's engine and hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without load until the radiator fan activates. After this, increase the RPM to 4,500, also without load. During this process, observe the HDS display, specifically monitoring the TC boost pressure values. According to the specified parameters, the normal TC boost pressure value must be less than 0.67 kilopascals, 0.2 inch high or 5 millimeters Hg during these conditions. If the readings deviate from expected values, this further confirms the likelihood of an issue with the turbocharger boost sensor itself. After completing the troubleshooting steps, it is essential to conduct a final verification of repairs related to DTC P0236. Start by rechecking the DTC status with the HDS to ensure that the code has not reappeared after the repairs. Additionally, verify that the turbocharger boost sensor is operating correctly. This may involve reperforming the earlier diagnostic tests to confirm the sensor is providing accurate readings within specifications. It's also important to ensure that the overall system performance is restored, meaning the vehicle should exhibit normal power levels without the check engine light illuminated. A successful completion of this final step solidifies the resolution of the DTC P0236 issue. To prevent issues such as DTC P0236 from recurring in the future, implementing a routine preventive maintenance schedule is essential. Regularly checking the condition and performance of the turbocharger boost sensor can head off potential problems before they become significant. Cleaning electrical connections serving the boost sensor is vital, as corrosion or loose connections can easily compromise its functionality. Additionally, consistently monitoring engine performance through onboard diagnostics can help detect any irregularities early on. By adhering to these practices, you will enhance the reliability of the turbocharging system and optimize performance, potentially extending the lifespan of your vehicle's engine components. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0236 and the role of the turbocharger boost sensor is crucial for maintaining the performance and reliability of your Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. By following the structured troubleshooting steps carefully, one can identify and resolve the underlying issues effectively. It is essential to regularly monitor sensor outputs and vehicle performance to prevent future occurrences of this DTC. By adhering to preventive maintenance measures, such as regular checks and keeping connections clean, you can significantly enhance engine function and avoid costly repairs down the line. Remember, a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance not only aids in the immediate resolution of DTC P0236, but also contributes to overall vehicle longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!